In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the undo send feature in Proton Mail using the Google Chrome browser. If you've ever sent an email and instantly realized there was a mistake or wanted to retract something you said, you'll know just how important this feature can be. Fortunately, Proton Mail offers a straightforward way to give yourself a tiny window of opportunity to undo sending an email. Let's walk through the steps together. To kick things off, open up your Google Chrome browser and head over to the Proton Mail website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly, and voila, you're in. Once you're logged into your Proton Mail, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll find a gear icon, that's your gateway to the settings. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to select Settings to access the necessary options. When you're inside the Settings menu, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and find the General tab. This is where you'll find a lot of the basic configuration options for your account, including the feature we're focusing on today. Within the General settings, scroll down leisurely and keep an eye out for the option labeled Undo Send. This is the feature that will allow you to take back an email right after you hit send. Once you find it, you'll notice you have several choices for the cancellation period. Typically, Proton Mail will offer durations like 5, 10, or even 15 seconds. Think about how much time you'd like to have. A shorter period if you're confident and quick with your emails, or a longer one if you tend to second guess. Choose the time frame that feels right for you. After selecting your preferred cancellation period, you'll want to make sure your changes are saved. Look towards the bottom of the page and hit Save. It's a crucial step because without saving, you'll find that none of your changes will actually take effect. With these settings in place, you're all set up to use the undo send feature. What this means is every time you send an email from now on, you'll have the option to undo it within the time frame you've set. This can be incredibly convenient for catching those last-minute errors or simply having a change of heart. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful tool to add to your email arsenal. We hope this guide has helped you feel a little more in control of your digital communications. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing!